Mrs. Davis. So I just wanted to create a demonstration so that you would be able to see my Google Classroom and how I set up my own Google Classroom. So right now we are focusing on the intolerable acts. So I've been able to assign a few assignments, ask some questions, so I'm just going to go through that real quick. First of all, you can create your own class title and can pick whatever background you want, what other colors you want to do. So this was an announcement that I made telling my students that the vocabulary assignment due date is going to be pushed back. If you want to create an announcement for your students, it's really easy. As you can see, you can just type something in here. Moving on, if you go to the classwork, I've come up with a resource page. This one focusing on the intolerable act, so I have a video posted that the students can click on. I have a website linked to that, and I have just an infographic that the students can look at. Moving on, I also have students have a due date to create a timeline here soon. And then I also just asked my students a quick question that they're supposed to be answering. I just said, students, which of the following intolerable acts do you think would have frustrated you the most if you were a colonist during this time period, and why? So far, none of the students have answered, as you can see. But yes, so this is my quick little summary of Google Classroom. You can add you can add assignments, quiz assignments, questions, materials. So yes, the classwork page is really easy. You'll also be able to see all of your students once people join the class, and your students can join the class by having this class code. Thank you.